So the problem is 7 over 4x plus 3 over 4x and 2x over x plus 6 minus 5 over x plus 6. Now, when we are adding or subtracting rational expressions, we need to follow some certain steps. And I have created here acronyms for the steps that we need to follow. Number one is FTLCM. FTLCM stands for find the least common multiple. Number two is FNN. Find the new numerators. Number three is PTO, perform the operation. And number four is simplify. So we simplify the answer if needed. Now let's try to apply these steps in solving the two problems. So number one is FTLCM, so we need to find the LCM. Now, we only apply the first step if and only if we have different denominators. So in this case, we have the same denominators, so we will skip step one. So we'll just copy the denominators, which is 4x. Both has a 4x denominator. Now, step two is find the new numerator. Now, you will only apply step two if you did step one. Since we skipped step one, we will as well skip step two. So what will be the new numerators now? Same with the old ones. So we copy 7 and 3. PTO stands for perform the operation. So we would just add here if we have addition and subtract if we have subtraction. So to do that, copy the same denominator, which is 4x. And then we add the the numerators, if you can add them. So what's 7 plus 3? So basically that's 10. So that's 10 over 4x. Now, step 4 is simplify. Do you think we can simplify 10 over 4x? Yes, we can by dividing both numerators and denominators by 2 because both are divisible by 2. So we would divide the numerator and denominator by 2, which will give us the final answer as 5 over 2x. So that should be the sum of the problem. Now for the next problem, which is 2x over x plus 6 minus 5 over x plus 6. So we will follow again these simple steps here. So number one, FTLCM. So let's check the denominators. So it's obvious here we have the same denominators, so we would just copy that. So we skip step one. Now, since we skip step one, we will as well skip step two because since we have the same denominators, so we will have the same numerators. So we copy 2x and then 5. Now step 3, perform the operation, PTO. So we would subtract the numerators. So to do that, copy your denominators first. It doesn't change. Now, can we subtract 2x and 5? Of course not. Why? Because they are different terms. So we would just copy 2x and 5. So 2x minus 5. This is now your final answer.